Do you have the common problem of your iPhone or iPad charger ripping up like I do? Well, I have a simple solution to that. All you need is some heat shrink tubes that shrinks at 158 Fahrenheit or 70 Celsius for all of you watching out there, or higher. All you need is these, a hair dryer, and whatever's ripped up. All you need to do is get one of the tube sizes that can be put on or slide on easily. This is about the size you should use, just recommending, but it's about how much you should use. But if you see here, I've already shrunk a bit, so it wouldn't waste time. So let's get on to fixing the problem. That's how you fix the problem.